Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back and watching my videos. You guys are the best, and thank you so much for your lovely and nice comments on my 50 random things video. And that vlog was my day 30 vlog, and you guys showered me with so much love, so I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. And I'm so happy with all the comments. Thank you so much for motivating me and encouraging me to make more videos. And if you haven't already, please make sure to watch that video and like, share. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel. One of my subscribers, she was asking me to upload a makeup video and she wanted to know what products I am using, so that's what I am going to do for you guys. I'm gonna roll my get ready video for you guys, and I will mention all the products which I have used. So here we go. Enjoy watching. This is my look for today. I went for a smoky eye and red lips. I know this look is too much, but I'm not going anywhere today. I'm just staying at home, so I might just keep it like this. So guys, I changed my lipstick and I'm wearing this pink lipstick because red was a bit too much for this eyeshadow. I don't know if this one suits better or that one, but I think this one suits better. Let me know in the comments down below which one suits better with this eyeshadow, red or pink. It is super cold today. By the way, look at my living room. It looks so nice. I just love my living room at the moment. Guess what I'm eating today? Same breakfast like yesterday. I've been eating this breakfast for last 3 days, and I just love English breakfast, guys. I can eat English breakfast every single day if I could, but yeah, it is heavy, but I eat heavy breakfast every single day and eat less and less as the day goes by. So yeah, so my breakfast is ready. Look at this, looks so delicious. I haven't applied any nail polish for last 2 days, I believe, so I want to go ahead and pick a nail polish for myself. I want something, you know, bright. This also looks alright. I know what I want, so I'm gonna wear this nail polish today. It is from Rimmel. It's called 330 Red Obsession. By the way, this is the lipstick I'm wearing today. This is one of my favorite lipstick and it was recommended to me by a YouTuber. Her name is Jenny Ho, I believe. So yeah, this is the lipstick. It is from MAC. I will add the name in here for you guys because you can't see it very well and I don't want to butcher the name of this lipstick. So yes, so I was about to apply this nail polish and look at this, guys. I don't know how to explain this, but the texture is not smooth at all and I think it is kind of expired, to be honest. So I just applied my nail polish and the texture was kind of thick, to be honest, and it is not the best at the moment. As you guys can see, I messed up a lot on this hand, but it will do, you know, it will do. I need to throw this one because it is too thick to apply. I also tried to add nail polish remover and shake it up, but it didn't work. So yeah, I'm gonna throw this nail polish in a sec. So it's almost lunch time. Vegetables chop today I'm making spring greens and some potato. I don't know what do you call this one in Nepali. The texture is very hard compared to rayoko sag and other sags, but it is really delicious. Definitely give it a try. I got mine from Sainsbury's. That's what I'm cooking. And I also chopped up my salad for later, all ready to cook. A lot of you guys asked me to do a mukbang video, so that's what I'm gonna do next. I hope you guys will enjoy. So this is what I'm eating today. Sagra aloo ko curry, jingge macha ko curry, red peppers, tomatoes, carrot and cucumber. So this is my lunch, and last much I will eat some chocolate. This is fruit and nut chocolate. So I'm gonna keep this over here. Let's go ahead and start. That's good. This is really weird. I love tomatoes. It's really yummy. And recently I've been loving this red pepper, yellow pepper, green pepper, any sort of pepper. I just love it. Big bite. This might be, you know, disgusting to some of you guys because I like to eat my rice with my hands. It tastes 10 times better and I don't feel any shame, you know. I was raised like this, you know. हातले खाना चाहिँ एकदमै मिठो लाग्छ मलाई carrot This carrot is really sweet. I like to eat salads because salad चाहिँ एकदमै crunchy हुन्छ and एकदमै लेस क्यालोरी पनि हुन्छ यो सलादमा क्युकम्बरमा चाहिँ 100 ग्राम्समा 100 क्यालोरीज हुन्छ सेम विथ क्यारोट टोमेटो पेपर्स स्पिनिच अल्सो आई थिंक स्पिनिचमा चाहिँ झनै कम क्यालोरी हुन्छ सो आई लभ salad and it is healthy as well. Last bite. Last को चाहिँ यसरी चाट्न चाहिँ मलाई एकदम मजा आउँछ That was super delicious and kind of spicy as well. झिंगे माछाको अचार चाहिँ हल्का स्पाइसी थियो but it was really good. अब चाहिँ म यो चकलेट खान जाँदै छु. This is Cadbury nut and fruit chocolate. So good. I know I'm licking my fingers, but the food was really delicious. That's it. Thank you for watching. All clear. I just finished eating my lunch and it was really delicious, and right now I'm eating a khatto and let me know in the comments down below if you guys really enjoyed my mukbang videos. If you did, let me know. Someone shared this post on my Facebook page and I think I should tag myself because I'm the selfie queen, but the thing is I cannot stretch my legs like that, you know. So guys, I was just testing my old clothes and let me show you how it looks like. This was really tight on me. Now it fits me like a glove and it still has a tag. As you guys can see, I'm super happy and really proud of myself. Let me show you the full view so that you guys can see the dress. Look at that. I can't wait to wear this somewhere, you know. I think these shoes will go very well with that dress, but the thing is it's super dirty. Look at that. This shoes is from New Look and I paid around £5 or £8 for these shoes, and I really love these types of heels. It's really pretty. By the way, if you haven't watched my shoe collection video, then it is already up on my channel. Definitely go ahead and watch that video and give me a thumbs up. Look at this guys, I'm wearing a tikka and I love tikka. You guys know that. I'm wearing this round tikka today and it has a rhinestone in the middle and it is really pretty. Goes very well with my look. So that's about it guys. Thank you so much for watching my vlogs. Please make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. Bye! Thank you so much for watching my videos.